Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to another vlog. Today is Saturday, and I was really planning to start the vlog on Friday, which is weekend vlog, but I wasn't in the mood. The reason because I was expecting a call from my designer yesterday to make a akara for me, but she didn't turn up, so I was a little bit sad, you know. I hardly wear akara, so I decided to make one because I have an invitation on Sunday. But yeah, it's over a week plus now. I gave her the akara to make for me, just a normal dress, but she didn't turn up, she didn't call me, so I was a little bit disappointed, like I just say. But yesterday I went to Zara and I got me some kind of long sleeve dress with stripe on it, black and white and gray or something like that. So this is what I'm going to be wearing tomorrow, which is Sunday. And now we are heading up to Links. We are heading to Links because I'm going to see someone that gave me wig to make for her. And after that we are going to Primark. Yes, we are going to Primark, make a little bit shopping. And yeah, I just want to update you guys just a little bit what I'm up to today on Saturday. And of course I'm going to be taking you guys along with me to Primark. This is going to be my second or third time. Yeah, he said three times, so yeah, so it's going to be 3 times I'm going to Primark, but this is going to be my first time. I'm going to take you guys along and vlog a little bit. Yeah guys, that's what we are up to today, and after that we're going to head up to the hotel. We book a hotel for just one night because it's going to be stressful tomorrow after finish from the church, driving back home. It's going to be stressful, so we decide just to, you know, just hook up to the hotel and just, you know, enjoy the rest evening. And yeah, today we are going to be sleeping in the hotel, and tomorrow Sunday we are coming back home. So yeah, I will see you guys later in Primark. Okay, ciao ciao.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I
finally in Blue City. I'm super duper tired, I'm hungry, but now we have to head to KFC to have something because we have not had our breakfast, and then later we are heading up to Primark. Yeah, Primark. Why are you looking at me like that? You're looking so cool. Huh? If I didn't take care, I would have hit myself there, right? When it gets out, yeah.
Expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. If I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
It's like I'm just so frustrated because it's not what I was expecting. So today, I don't know, I only find this two-piece right here. I don't know, I don't think I'm going to be trying it because I'm just fed up, you know. The things inside here is kind of too ranty that I can't really find something that I like. But normally they have quite pretty things, but today I don't know, maybe I'm not in the mood, but let's see. I'm just going to walk through, walk through and see if I can really find something that I like. But let's see. I don't know. I like this top right here. This two top is so cute. It's super cute, and these two shorts right here. Hey guys, what's up? Finally we arrived at the hotel, and I just want to quickly do a room tour, update you guys how the room looks like. Anytime I visit Linz, this is a hotel I always like to lodge in. Super classic, and yeah, I'm going to be showing you around a bit. Okay, this is the bathroom. As you can see, big mirror to beat my face. Yeah.
What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah.
Now I'm about to go to bed. I'm super duper relaxed. I took my shower, I ate something. I was really planning to go for dinner, but we checked in the hotel super duper late. So I think we checked at 9 o'clock, and I have to I have to bring out my things from the luggage, and yeah, it was so late, so I just had to eat some meat my friend gave to us. So yeah, I took my shower, just took my shower not quite long ago, and yeah, I'm about to head to bed. Like I just say, I'm super duper tired, guys, like seriously. And I have to end this vlog. I forgot I didn't end the vlog, so when I show you the room tour, so yeah, my memory card just died, so luckily we bought another one when we went to Primark today. So yeah, I have to fix the new memory card so I can vlog more, because I don't want to end the vlog on Saturday. I want to end it on Sunday. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I guess I'm going to be seeing you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. I didn't sleep well. It's always like that. First time in the hotel. But it's okay. Sunny day. Yeah. So normally I plan to go to breakfast, but I wake up super sorry. I wake up super late. So now I'm going to head myself to the shower and quickly do my makeup, and then I'm off to where I'm doing makeup. And yeah. Hey guys, what's up? I'm done with my makeup. I'm done, but my lipstick, I'm going to apply lipstick later when I finish all the makeup I'm going to be doing. So yeah, and I'm going to be dressing up there. So I just put on this top, black top. So let me stand up and show you my complete outfit, because it's just normal regular top and with black trousers. So I hope you guys can see that. It's nothing special. So yeah, later I'm going to be putting my outfit, the outfit I bought. Let me show you guys a little bit on the bed. This is how it looks like. This one right here. Yeah, I love my makeup. I did it in a hurry, but check my glow. My glow is really glowing. My cheek is glowing like nobody business. Yeah, and my wig, of course, I'm going to be putting on later, because I don't like having a lot when I'm doing someone makeup. Anyway, guys, and I'm going to be catching you guys later when we are heading to church. When I'm done with her makeup, when we are heading to church, I'm going to be, I'll get back to you guys, okay? Catch you later.
Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start